interrupted with the ABCpdf10-64 library DLL blocking WebSupergoo workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. I've linked the primary utility for ABCpdf10-64 library in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the ABCpdf10-64 library, the 64-bit execution library for the ABCpdf .NET component. It is used by enterprise web servers and desktop tools to dynamically generate or edit PDF documents. If missing, specialized banking or reporting software will report a PDF engine initialization failure, preventing any document creation. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Errors related to ABCpdf10-64 library DLL often mean the internal WebSupergoo configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the ABCpdf10-64 library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like ABCpdf10-64 library DLL within your System32 or syswow64 folders. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to ABCpdf10-64 library and registry optimization. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored ABCpdf10-64 library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support